All right, here we're in the master bedroom, and we've got the ensuite bathroom and the walk-in closet right here. Now, a couple things I wanted to show you on this door setup. First off, this one here, the walk-in door, we had to cut it down just slightly so that these line up. That way our casing or trim is lined up perfectly. It would look a little bit odd if one's out about 3/4 of an inch from the other. Now the other thing here too, this one's a kind of special feature on this one. You might notice, or maybe you don't notice, is that you don't see the hinges here on this outswing door. That's something that we added concealed hinges on this door. That way you don't see them. This wall is just nice and clean. You just see the millwork in the doors. That's opposed to, I'll show you a regular door here. So typically you're going to see those hinges kind of sticking out there on the inside. Not a big deal. And they wanted to keep this one nice and clean, and turned out amazing. Excellent suggestion there from the homeowners. So here's these concealed hinges on the closet door. That way these are super slick. You can adjust it back and forth, up, down, each way, so you can fine tune the door, and just eliminates those hinges sticking out on the finished side. Nice little detail on that.